Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to install the Epsilon V2 GR Corolla kit. Yeah, it's the same as the V1. It's the same. I'm gonna take this kit off and I'm gonna put the V2 on. It's the same. Pull it out. This is the lip. Comes with a cool little emblem. Before you put it on, make sure that your bumper is clean with some alcohol. We're gonna wipe down the sides like that. Like always, some of these lips are ship folded, so if you have any bowing here, you can always use a heat gun to flatten it out. Small corner of the tape, Yandre. Up and over. And then right here. Up and over. If you want to put extra tape here, you can. So right here. Bolts into the factory holes. So all the tabs go into their factory locations right here. For the side skirts, if they're severely warped from shipping, which can sometimes happen, again, you can use a heat gun to heat it back up, or leave it outside and it should return to normal. So the new side skirts don't use brackets anymore. It actually mounts to the door sill. So first things first, we're gonna peel the tape. We're gonna peel front and back tape. So screws. And then there's double-sided tape alongside the full sill. So, DeAndre, please help me push this in. See how ingenious this is? Once that's done, you grab the included self-tappers. You're gonna put one here. That goes into the stock side skirt. One here. Just like that. We're gonna put the two screws in the back. And then this one's a self-tapper. And it doesn't rotate. It's nice and tight. Cool. Right here, I'm gonna get some pliers, cut the edge of the clip off. That way I can get it in right here. So for the factory push pins, this one's really tight. So we take a snip and we clip this off. In the production version, this will most likely get fixed. I can put my self-tappers to secure the rest. So one right here, one right here. And if I want to, 1, in the corner. Now we're secure. Okay. We're done! Yay! Okay, we're gonna take some photos. The V2 lip kit, courtesy of Epsilon Aero. I'm gonna lose my mind.
Right here?